Hi Jane, I have some news.
What is it, John? Tell me.
I'm quitting my job today.
What? Why are you quitting?
I got a new business opportunity.
Really? What kind of opportunity?
It's a startup in the fintech sector.
Fintech? That sounds interesting.
It is, but I like challenges.
I see. How did you find it?
I met the founder at a conference.
Which conference was it? When was it?
It was the future of finance in Singapore.
Oh, I remember that one. Last month?
Yes, that's right. It was amazing.
I bet. So, what's the startup about?
It's a platform for peer-to-peer lending.
Peer-to-peer lending? How does that work?
It connects borrowers and lenders directly.
Without any intermediaries or banks?
Exactly. It's faster and cheaper.
That sounds promising. And convenient.
It is. And it's also secure.
How do you ensure security?
We use blockchain and smart contracts.
Blockchain and smart contracts? Wow.
Yeah, it's cutting-edge technology.
I can tell. You're very excited.
I am. It's a great opportunity.
I'm happy for you, John. Congratulations.
Thank you, Jane. You're very kind.
You're welcome, John. Let's celebrate.
Sure, let's go for lunch.
Okay, let's go. Tell me more.
So, Jane, how about you?
Me? I'm fine. Nothing new.
Really? Nothing new at all?
Well, not as exciting as you.
Come on, don't be modest.
Okay, fine. I have something too.
What is it? Tell me.
I got a promotion yesterday.
A promotion? That's awesome. Congratulations.
Thank you, John. You're very kind.
You're welcome, Jane. You deserve it.
Thanks. It was hard work.
I know. You're very dedicated.
I try to be. It pays off.
It does? What's your new position?
I'm the new head of marketing.
Head of marketing? That's impressive.
Thank you. It's a big responsibility.
It is. But you can handle it.
I hope so. It's challenging.
It is. But you like challenges.
I do. Just like you.
Yeah, we're similar in that way.
We are. We're both ambitious.
We are. We have big dreams.
We do. We want to succeed.
We do. And we will.